reflecting light through shutters. I feel the sunset coming and you said goodbye, goodbye. Whenever you say you need me, I just stop. Faces in the dark, places that we fly through, just me and Pop.
Hey PL's family, hi. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I clean my washing machine, and I'll show you how I use just what I have in my house to clean my washing machine, because it's been a while since I cleaned it. And now I always clean it, I think, once in a year, and now I'm preparing for a new baby, so I decide to clean it so that I can do baby laundry, because I always clean my baby clothes before I give birth. So in this video I have vinegar, and I have baking soda, and I have my measuring cup. So I'm going to use just 1 cup of baking powder and 3 cups of vinegar. So 3 cups of vinegar and 1 cup of baking soda. And right now I'm going to put on extra large, and I'm going to use hot water. And I'm going to put on super wash so that it can fill with water. Once filled with water, I'm going to put in the vinegar first, and then I will run the cycle for a minute, just 1 minute. And after that I'll be adding in my baking soda, and I will run it for a minute too. Yeah, so right now I'm done running it, and I just grabbed this little towel that I'm trying to wipe all the dirt that is outside, so just wiping around, and then I'll close it again and run it for a full circle. It has to run for a full circle to make sure everything that is in there gets out before I put in my baby cloth. So right now, guys, look, it's all clean. I'm done. It looks so beautiful, clean, and I can now put my baby cloth. That's it. Yeah, so guys, right now I'm going to open all these and try to clean. Yeah, so I have to make sure I clean everything, because all the perfume that comes in baby cloth, like new cloth, not baby cloth, but new cloth, so we need to clean those, because they're kind of toxic to kids. The kids, when they're born, they just have a weak immune system, so we have to make sure everything is all washed, well cleaned, so that they don't get any sickness from those. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to remove the tags and the papers and birds and everything, so that I can get ready to put these in the machine. And I will make sure I sort them out, like see the cotton materials and the linen materials. Excuse me, not linen, but let's say the blankets and the bed sheets and the clothes. So I have to make sure I group by category, so that I don't mix everything, So right now I'm trying to figure out which one is this and which one is this, so that I can put in the machine. Yep, guys. So right now I'm done. You can see this. I have 3 categories, and I only got like 4 dark colors, so I didn't mix those, because I suspect they might put in colors, so I will just wash those with my hands. They just like foam. And here I have those blinky ones, towels, and ooh, yeah. So and then I have the cloth right here, the cotton, and I have all the bed sheets and all the covers right here. Yeah, I just want to make sure I don't wash everything together, just trying to separate them. And this is the bathtub, baby bathtub. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. And here we go. So I use Drift for newborn because it's recommended, and I know it's not toxic. I know it's gentle on baby skin. Yeah, so right now I'm going to do medium wash. I will use warm, cold water, and I'm going to put on soft wash because these are not dirty. They're just from the store, and I need to wash them just gentle to remove all those odors and people touching them in the store, you know. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So you can see here it's on medium, warm, and soft wash. So right now I am going to run the water, and I'll be adding in my medium load because it's a medium load. I'll check my my numbers, and it's just one. I'll be pouring in the cup, just one. I don't need too much, just little, you know. You have to read the chart so that you know what you're doing, because if you don't read, you'll end up putting the whole thing inside. Yeah, that's it. I'll be ready to put all the clothing and start my washing machine. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys how to do clean your washing machine and how to do your baby laundry before they're born. Yeah, just sharing with you everything that I'm doing, and I love you guys. Please share, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Love you, love you.